In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a team by creating a user group on the ClickUp project management tool. If you've ever wanted to organize your team efficiently and keep everyone in sync with your project management tasks, you'll find this guide extremely helpful and easy to follow. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a new team set up, ready to tackle your projects with structured collaboration. Let's get started. First, let's navigate to your ClickUp workspace. You'll want to direct your attention to the top left corner of the interface. This is your gateway to the workspace menu. Go ahead and click on Workspace and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, we're looking to access your workspace settings, so click on Settings. This area of ClickUp is where you'll do most of your administrative tasks, like adding and managing teams. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout here, as it'll be useful for managing various settings in the future. Now, under the Settings menu, you'll need to look for IAMs. This is the feature ClickUp provides to help you organize different groups and manage them efficiently. Once you find Teams, click on it, and you'll be taken to the section where you can manage existing teams and, importantly for us right now, create new ones. Moving on to creating your team, the process here is straightforward. You'll see an option that allows you to create a new team. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to give your team a name. Think carefully about this name, as it'll be used across ClickUp for identifying this group. It could reflect the project's goal, the department, or the task focus, ensuring that everyone involved instantly understands the team's purpose. Once you've named your team, you'll reach the final step, which involves adding members to your new team. Look to the right side of the screen, and you'll see a button designed for adding members. Click on this, and a prompt will appear asking you to enter the emails of the individuals you wish to add. You can add as many members as needed, ensuring that everyone who needs access to this team can be part of it. It's a good idea to double-check these email addresses to avoid any mistakes that could delay your team's setup. And there you have it, a newly created team in ClickUp ready to collaborate on your projects. This process is a quick and easy way to structure your workspace efficiently, keeping everyone connected and informed. Remember, teams can be expanded and adjusted as your project needs evolve. So, whether you're managing a small project or coordinating with a large department, ClickUp makes this process not only possible but also simple. You'll soon be on your way to enhanced productivity and smoother project management.